If you are like me and you work on the web, it probably happens a lot that you need to scrape a bunch of data from websites. There are a lot of solutions to scrape data. You can ask a developer to do it, or you can try software or a browser extension. But sometimes it's hard to do because sometimes you need some skills in web development, skills that maybe you don't have or you don't want to have. So today I'm going to show you the tool I use from now on because it's working very well and it's pleasant to use and you don't need any kind of skills to use it. So it's called Browseai. Let's do it. So back on my computer, I have connected my account of Browseai. I have installed the extension and activated it. It's here. And what I want to do is I need to scrape this Google My Business category list. And as you can see, I cannot have it in a proper list because it's all in a table. And if I try to select the one column, all the other came with it. So I'm not going to bother. I'm just going to do a quick scrape. So I click on Build a new robot. I want to extract data from this page. I can also monitor the page for changes, which is not what I'm going to do today. So it will open this new window with your origin URL, and then I just have to click Start recording a task. If the website needs credentials, I can click here, but it's a public website. Okay, now I need to grant permissions. Yes. It will open a new window with the website, and it's explaining to me how I can do to extract the data on the web page. Okay, understood. I just click here. I will capture a list. Come down here, and I will try to. It's a very big page, and it has like 4,000 categories, so it's taking a bit of time, especially as my computer is not the best. I'm trying to take the whole table with the 3 columns. And also, I'm recording, and my computer is like, what's happening? Okay, I will try this. So I selected the whole column. I want to capture a text. So I'm clicking again. Now I have one column here. I would like to have more text like this column. Yeah, I think it's good. I would like to have the third also. If it's not too much asking. Let's try. Okay, so hopefully I managed to get the 3 columns. I'm clicking on enter. And we're all praying that it's working well. Enter a name for this text. That's column. And second. I don't really care, but okay, amazing. So I managed to get the 3 columns, not in the right order, but I really don't mind. Now I need to set the maximum number of rows I want to extract. I know that there are like 4,000 categories, so I'm going to do 5,000. And there is no pagination type, so there is no more items to load. But if you have many pages, it can go over them by itself. Okay, and I need to name this list cat. Now I'm capturing. Well done, you just showed the robot how to capture the list for you. Can manage more data. Okay. No, I'm fine. Now I click Escape. Yeah, now I'm finishing the recording. Save. I want to run the task now. Okay, we'll try 2,000. No. So it's 27. Let's see when it's finished. So it finished at 11 past 29. No, 29 past 11. Okay. And apparently there were only 1,300 items. So that's great. I can find all of them here, neatly organized, which is very cool. Okay, so it counted only 1 credit for each row, which means I actually have, I don't know math, it's too late, but I have 3,900 records categories, and it only counted 1,300 credits. So that's very cool. Final screen, navigate to origin steps. So it's telling me what it did. Do the task with result above match what you were expecting. Yes, it's perfect. Your new data extraction task was successfully set up. Here's what you can do next. Set up monitoring. Browse your dashboard, capabilities. No, the only thing I want is to go to... Okay, so to download the results of your scraping, you need to go to history, select of the task, and then that's where I can download the CSV. And honestly, it just took me like, I don't know, 20 minutes, even less. And if I tried to do this with Exomatic or Tiller, I'm pretty sure I wouldn't have managed to do it, and I would actually have lost some brain cells in the process. So for me, it works very well. So the APSI module is very limited. You only have 2,500 credits for the first year, which some may pay is ridiculously low. But in the end, at least it's working, and it's working in the cloud, which means you can run robots any time of the day, and you can also connect them, as you've seen here with Zapier integrally with webhooks and Public Connect, and so you can do a lot more than what you would be able to do with Tila or Exomatic. I guess you could do the same, but it would never be that easy. At least that's my own experience. So that's why I like it a lot, and I will continue to use it. I hope you like this quick demo, and if you have any question on the tool, just ask me. I will try to answer. And I wish you a beautiful night or day. Goodbye.